everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan biscuits. I figured since a lot of people are having trouble getting a hold of bread flour and yeast that we do a quick bread which doesn't need either of those things. Now these biscuits are super light and fluffy and they are great for either just eating on their own or putting in a recipe like biscuits and gravy, which is probably what I'm going to do with mine. So I'm really excited to share these with you. When coconut milk is chilled, it'll separate into solid fat and liquid. Make sure to get as much of the fat as possible when you're measuring it out. Whip the coconut milk until soft peaks form. Put the coconut cream in the fridge. Sift together the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Add the butter to the dry ingredients. Use your hands to cut the butter into the flour. When you're done, your mixture should look like sand and there should be no large chunks of butter left. Small pieces are okay. Add the whipped cream to your flour mixture a bit at a time. Only add enough so that your dough comes together. If you need to, you can add a little bit of the leftover liquid from the coconut milk. Cover and put in the fridge for 30 minutes. On a floured surface, roll the dough out to 3/4 inches thick. Use a sharp knife to cut the dough into 2-inch squares. Be careful to only move your knife up and down or your biscuits won't rise as well. Place the biscuits on lined sheet trays and put in the fridge for 30 minutes. Bake at 400 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and let cool for 10 minutes. Alright everyone, I hope you liked this recipe. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And you can find me on Instagram and Twitter as @breadwithbecca. Stay safe and I'll see you next week. Bye!